Good happy Saturday, my little niblets. How y'all doing today? I hope you're having a great weekend. It's unboxing with Nanna Newf. Today we are going to go on a pirate dig with Montoy. Now this is for 8 and over. There is choking pieces, of course, so there's a warning there. There's 3 treasure pieces included in this dig. You pretty much know what they are because they tell you on the back, but we'll dig them out anyways. And with this, you get your dig, your treasure piece that you have to unearth, a hammer, a chisel, and a brush. But you're going to want to put something down because, of course, it's probably going to get messy. And I'm hoping I get a good thumbnail. Boom. Thumbnail? Yeah. So let's see if this works out good. This is going to be fun. I've had this for a while. I like doing stuff like this. I might get more if I find them because they have like dinosaur digs and stuff like that. And I like being dirty, so it comes in this cute little box like this. And it's only $4 at the dollar store. So let me sit right back down so I can get going on this dig with you guys. There we go. Okay. So, as I was saying, this is by Montoy. So if you want to check out more of their toys, they have different collections. I got some Lego pieces, like blocks, that I've got done. They're going to be put up on eBay for you, but check out all my details below and we'll see. So let's see what we have in here. So we will do a dig. If the camera shakes, I know it's on a different angle, so I'm sorry about that. And let's see. I'm going to open this up. So just be careful because of all your little pets. You don't want to get your pets stuck in there. I've always said I want to go on an archaeologist dig, so now I can. So let's get into this bad boy. Come on. Just need to push the tape down a bit because I'm just trying to keep the box so that I can. If anybody out there has any comments on how to make your own little dig sites, like what can you use to make the clay to make dig sites in, because these would be cute little ideas to do. I have a knife around here somewhere. Where are you? Where's your knifey? Oh Lord, I got everything all messed up in here. This place is getting full of stuff. I gotta start eBay and stuff because my room's getting really full. Alright, this one. Like I said, anything you want or whatever. Make me a cute little offer on our Facebook and we will. Alright, so there we go. There. Oh, it's upside down. Alright, so we gotta turn it this way. Okie dokie. So there we go. And that's it. Oh, that's it. Okay. So we got that. There. Now, by the way, when I was at the dollar store, I only had one of these left, so I picked it up. But look how cute those are. That's stickers. The little baby Yodi guy. Anyways, sticker book collection. We will figure that out. If you guys want to see all the stickers I got, start making sticker book. Okay, so here's our instruction book, I guess. Instructions. Okay. It says, becoming an archaeologist with your pirate dig kit. Dig through the sandstone to uncover ancient pirate treasures. Pirates, you'll be digging and unearthing and remains of pirate treasure. Earthen block. This block represents the earth from hundreds of years ago. Buried inside the block is remains of a pirate treasure. Okay, so that's this thing right here. Oh, she's kind of heavy. I'll give you that. She is heavy. Okay, so you got that. Okay, wear old clothes or small, can be messy. Make sure you're working it easy clean. Place the block in the middle of your work area using tools. Dig away until you start to see the pirate treasure coming through. Dig around it and then begin brushing away the dust to reveal the ancient treasure. You can also use water to rinse away those hard to dig away pieces. Once the pirate treasure has been excavated, be sure to carefully rinse it with warm water. Now showcase your discovery. Okay, so that's how you do that. So, here's our little hammer. That's the cutest thing ever. Look at that. It's a cute little hammer. Oh, what'd you do? Oh, it's going to be fun. And then, here's our cute little brush. Isn't that cute? And then we got our chisel right here. Beautiful chisel. Okay. So, we got to get this saran wrap off, of course. So, let me just make a little pack in the saran wrap. There we go. Make me a little tear. Put you over there. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah, that's messy. This is definitely going to be a messy one. Oakley dokley. So, yeah, it's like your powdered foundation. Okay. So, we just chisel away. Oh, curse. Holy cow, yeah. Chiseling away might take an hour or so. Oh, there we go. I guess you go in on an angle. Going in on an angle, it's much easier. I'll find her. My hand-eye coordination isn't very well, apparently. Am I finding anything yet? You guys see anything? Oh, there's a big piece. We chiseled off a big one there. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. This may take me more than 30 minutes. Am I even close? We got something? No, not yet. Holy lifting. I wonder where boats this is. Oh Lord. This is gonna take like... Oh, I found something. I think we found something. Okay, if you don't do right by the... Holy lippy then. Oop, that's what this is for. You brush this away. Ooh, what is this? What is this I see? Slowly getting there. Getting around it. Getting something, people. We're getting something. Lordy Lipton. Mm-hmm. Holy, we're getting there. We're getting there. I think you need a bigger chisel. We need a bigger chisel, people. Holy. Definitely gonna need a bigger chisel. You know what? I can use a bigger chisel so we can get this little buddy going. Yes, yes we can. Let's try this. Get this sucker out. Let's try this. Much better. Here. Get some of these pieces off so you can see where we're going. Oh, Lord. Okay, we're almost done. So we can get it. So we can get her out. That's why it's taken hard, because it's dried out. There. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Got her coming. Got some coming. Yeah, see how messy this is? People. Okay, so this, get the bigger chunks off here. Are we getting somewhere? Oh yay, I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, let's get this piece off. Well, it's pushing the whole table off. Sorry, guys. that enough yet? Oh, there we go. Yay! We found some pieces. Alright, so I almost got it. Almost got it. Oh, there's one piece. I hope we didn't break it. Alright, so it says to use hot water for pieces that are like this, I guess. I think I broke it. That's okay. So we have to cut this off. I may have broken it. I do not know. But let's find it. Okay, so one more chisel right here. Should do it. Oh, oop, we found a chest. We found a chest full of sound. Sand is sand. Oh, is this whole chest completely full? Oh, Lord, it is too. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, it's just rubbery. Phew. These are just rubbery. So the sand kind of comes out. I can get it to pop out. Pop out. Come out. Come out. There we go. There we go, my dears. Okay. So, here's our treasure chest. Oh, yeah. It's a treasure chest. Now, let's see what else we got rolling around in here. Oh, do I do good? Should we get 2 treasure chests? Oh, no, this is the gold. This is the gold that goes in the treasure chest. Now I'm guessing with this, some of the gold came off right there. So it's just gold paint. But we'll warm it all off. Just stick that bad boy in there. Get yourself some good old. Here we go. Now we're gonna get our skull out. Here's our little skull guy. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, goodness. Where's my wipey thing? Clean your eyes. Did your mom ever tell you to wash your face? This is sandy, I'll tell you that. Definitely sandy. Okay. And then we got our little skull guy to go with our beautiful old chest here. Now, oh, I was going to say we're missing one. Here's our last one. Definitely gotta go wash my hands after all this. Lord. Okay, that's what they mean by the hard to reach places, because you got the skull little pieces here. Okay. there you go. Oh, and there's our third little guy. So we got our skulls, our two little skull heads. That's who we're going to get in our little treasure chest. That was fun. It'd probably take longer because if you just use the other stuff, oh, isn't that neat? I didn't print it into the thing. It would take longer, but I used a bigger chisel because we had to two for this video. So, alright my dears, I'm going to go clean up. I love you all. Sorry about all the banging. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.